Another level though.
What is up, everybody? It's Saturday, November 30th.
29th.
29th?
Is it?
30th.
It is the 30th.
It's the 30th. 6 a.m. I want you guys to meet a new friend of mine. Here he is.
What's up, guys? It's your boy STF CTF, and we linked up, man. This is cool, dude.
Yeah, so I linked up. It's my new buddy right here. He's a pretty good fisherman. Check out his videos. I'll see if I can set a link below so you can go subscribe to him. You know what I'm saying? Give him some love, and yeah, man. Hopefully we can produce a nice video for you guys, catch some fish, and it should be a good time. Not so windy today, so can't wait. We're gonna do a friendly competition today.
Yes, we are.
I'm really competitive. If you guys don't know that, now you know I'm really competitive. So hopefully I can put more fish in the boat, and we'll see what happens. See if we can get a challenge going. Seagulls are flying around us, so it's a good sign. We'll see what happens today. First fish, guys.
Oh shit, I'm stuck.
Hell yeah. It's gonna be a good day today.
I'm telling you, bro. Well, I got excited.
Hell yeah. There it is.
All right, guys. Your boy's already on the board here early.
Hell yeah, dude. Got him on the small jerkbait from Rapala. Black and silver.
Is it Rapala or Rapella?
Or Rapella, maybe? Not sure. You guys
Now
get the
listen
point.
here, man. I personally am not one to say, because who am I? But
Fuck yeah, dude. Got him trolling.
dude, he hit me twice.
He hit me twice, yeah. So there you go, first fish around 6:30 a.m. Got him on the small jerkbait. First fish of the day. Was about 3-5 feet underwater. See how many more you can get on the boat. Hell yeah. Second fish, boy.
They like that freaking bait we got on.
Yep.
I'm doing one too.
There he is.
Fish, bro.
There he is.
That's the same fish, dog.
Little dinks, but it's all good. Oh shit, dude, this thing's bleeding. You mind the blood?
Just throw it in there and then trip.
Oh, you got video too, huh?
Oh shit!
No, you lost it.
Does that count? It was on the boat?
I don't know.
I think that counts, man. That's
It
on
was
the boat.
halfway in, halfway out, so I don't know, but we'll count it. We'll count it.
Hey, it was inbounds. It was in the boat before.
It wasn't in your hand, so I don't know if that counts. We'll let it be for the public. Fuck, dude, this guy.
Bro, look at this. We're gonna get. You know what? We got hats on, man. I'm kind of worried we might get shit on. You know, that's a possibility.
I beat the Scud. Thanks to our captain right here. Brought us to a good spot today. My third fish.
3-1?
Little dinks, but
Fun nonetheless, bro.
yeah,
I'll catch a million dudes.
it's all good.
I'm a quality fisherman, or a quantity fisherman more than a quality. Personally, you know? That's just my personal opinion. Now, if I'm fishing tournaments,
So I'm gonna toss this guy back. Not enough meat for me. Third fish of the day. Let him go. So I just usually just stick to whatever bait is biting, and I use that thing all day unless they stop biting on it.
Gotcha. I'm gonna try this crankbait. It's a square bill, so it's about the same as yours when it comes to, and it's a smaller profile.
Dude, I missed the film on this thing. I don't know if you got it, but that was beautiful. I got hit on a top water. A spook. Oh, this one's decent. Fourth fish. Ooh, look at him. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. On the spook, top water. Man, I love to see those fish hit the top water. Oh, he just fell off. Did that count? Yeah, that count, right?
That counts, bro. That was on the boat, bro. It was on the boat.
Damn. Well, there goes one less fish taco for me. It's all good. Catch some more.
So 4-1?
4-1, man. You're slacking, man. What's going on? What are you working on?
I just got a
Secret weapon or what?
What's up?
Bringing out your secret weapon?
No. I got it on film.
Damn, that's it. That was sick. He was just right behind it.
Dude, I told you. Just don't move it. They'll just eat it.
Sometimes when you don't move it, they just stop following it. That's why I didn't want to stop, but
Yeah. In that
it
case,
did it right now
was
though.
already locked on, bro. He knew what he wanted.
That was nice.
Dang, dude, 5-1. I'm in the shit.
It happens, man. But I mean, we still got more hours to fish, so see what happens. On spook.
Yeah, they don't like those Mojaves.
Yeah, these are.
I wonder why the Mojave striper are just so much bigger and healthier. Is it because literally the water is colder over there or something? Or?
I would say because it's cleaner. There's running like it's a river. It's running.
That's for sure.
River's running, but some people say it's because Lake Mead is just overpopulated.
So they just don't get
They
big?
just don't get big. But
Does that even make sense to you? It's
sort of
so
does.
Overpopulated, they don't get big.
Sort of does, because I guess there's. I don't know.
Oh.
Oh! Did you get him?
Nah, he came off.
Damn, dude.
That was cool. All right, so it's 2-5.
Yeah.
Final?
2-5.
It's gonna be 2-5.
If you get it in the boat.
What is this thing? Oh, dude, this is a rattle trap, bro. This thing ain't going nowhere. This ain't going nowhere. Do you want this, or you want me to, or can I toss it?
Yeah, let's keep them.
All right. Oh, look at, I caught another one. So. All right, guys. Oh, it's just a little guy.
He feels a little bigger than the ones I just
Came
caught.
off the dock?
Yep. Might be a bass, man.
It could be.
No, striper. Damn, I got excited for a second.
Hey,
He's a little.
counts as, half a point.
He's the biggest one so far.
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh hell yeah, dude.
Heck yeah, right off the dock. That minnow bait is fucking. That minnow bait, bro. That's.
Yeah.
I gotta pick me up one of those little guys.
I'm telling you, these colors, dude, they do great.
It's that profile too. How little it is.
Yeah. It's perfect for Lake Mead striper. You go a little bit too big, and sometimes they
6'2".
they feel intimidated. I feel.
That's why I try to use this rattle trap. It's pretty low profile. It's so fun.
Dude, yeah, it's all right.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
7th.
So now that you're this far in the video, he's up 7 to 2. Go ahead and I got a link below. Just give him a nice little follow and subscribe, and watch his version of this video.
Yeah.
And give it a like as well, and comment. Tell us what you guys think.
Sure, man.
Dude,
Thank
we're
you.
killing it today.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Having a good time, man.
I don't care if I'm
That's all that
losing.
matters.
At least I made somebody happy. and I put somebody else on fish. That's the
Yeah.
best feeling, is when you...
We got a good captain, man.
Captain Joshy Bear.
Yeah. Just when he said let's move locations.
I think I lost it.
Oh, don't tell me that.
Because my GoPro.
Oh no, he's still there.
Oh no, I still got him. That or I don't have a fish and I caught something else. Right?
You got him, you got him.
Is it a bass?
I hope so.
I don't think so.
Oh, it's a large trout. Oh, dude, don't lose him.
Yes. Yes. 7 fish right there. That counts as 7. All right, guys. Look at that. It's a little guy, huh?
Yeah, little butterball. Came out to play.
We'll name him Butterball. It is a fatty.
Yeah, he's nice.
Beautiful. All right.
Yeah, I think we should fish these docks.
Cool.
There he is.
Freaking bass.
Yeah.
Huge species on the boat, guys.
Hell
on a
yeah.
freaking rattle trap. All right, let's get back to it.
Yeah.
Nice. Dude, awesome day on the water with Carlos.
Yeah.
We've been killing it. We got at least 13 fish on the boat, 1 largie, the rest stripers.
Just maybe about what, an hour?
Yeah, dude, it's only been an hour of fishing.
Maybe.
Yeah,
Not bad.
For sure, an hour of fishing.
Not bad at all. Damn, he was right behind you. You're right behind your lure, dude. Think is, I'm gonna steal your fish, man. Oh, I stole him! Hell yeah! There was a fish right behind his spook. So I had to steal this fish, man. I had to, you know.
That don't count. That is the fish. You fell hooked him. That don't count. He said, right when I'm gonna steal your fish, and then all of a sudden. Dude, that little minnow, bro. They love that minnow.
Oh, dude, get him! He's on her.
I got it now.
You got him?
I wanted to make sure. This time. Dude, throw another rod out, bro.
Yeah, you're
Actually,
right.
no, don't throw another rod out.
I just want to catch this one on film. Oh, nice, dude. Hell yeah.
Oh no. No, we don't want that. We don't want spook hooks in a freaking bag. Oh, we don't want spook hooks in a hand either.
He's a skinny guy though.
Dude, he's real little. Okay, so that's 3 to 8? 3 to 9?
3 to 8. Yeah, dude. I missed
got bad luck when it comes to this shit.
I missed the film on that hit, but it was pretty nice.
Oh, this is a plumper. Look
He's fat, dude. That's a nice fish
no way
right there.
He was coming off. Look at it. He hung himself. Look at that. You see that?
Yeah.
I've never seen that before. He hung himself.
Dude, that's not fair, man. That fish doesn't count. I'll play. That's a nice fish right there. Nice and healthy, yeah.
Alright, so that's 4 to 8?
4 to 8.
If my pole didn't get messed up every time I caught a fish.
Oh, dude, double? No way, we doubled up, dude. This is sick. Hey, this is awesome, dude.
Little rod bending.
Look at this. Oh my god, this guy's big, dude. Yeah, these are decent. These are at least a pound. That was epic, dude.
There's still so much more.
These are giants for lake meters. Number 10. good, baby? Over here. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Nah, I think those are bigger. Right there, yeah. That is a nice boat.
Alright, fuck it, I'm full of that.
Yeah, just pull him up.
That's a good one, dude.
Oh, yeah, he is.
Oh, I'm gonna give him to you. I'm gonna give him to you.
Bring him in. Dude, that's nice. Hell yeah.
That guy was messing with me.
Alright, guys, on the jerker. Lose smash combo, which is even cooler because I like that pole. That's a good one. STF, CTF. 6 or is that 6 or 7?
I have no idea.
As of right now, I just know I'm catching up. That's all I know. I really don't know the actual score. Oh, dude.
Here, let me
This
roll.
is a good one.
Yeah, he is pretty good.
That's another thing I hate about fluorocarbon. You gotta retire shit, you know? Great. This one doesn't count because I'm filming. Just kidding. It's 11.
7 or 12.
Something, who cares? This is awesome. Nice. Good fish, bro.
What it's about, man. Have a good time.
Subscribe to his channel even though you're watching his channel.
Thanks to all my subscribers. I've been waiting for a video. There you go.
Here we go, baby. And
Thank you for being patient.
yeah, definitely. And you blew it up for him, bro.
It'll be a nice video. Like I said, make things happen.
Yes, sir. Cool beans.
So what is up, everybody? We're calling it a day today. Pretty early. We did pretty good, man.
Yeah.
Thanks to our captain here today. I've been getting skunked for the last 2 weeks, so it was my pleasure to join him on his boat, and we caught a lot of fish today. So it was a blessed day today. Thanks to all my subscribers. Go ahead and subscribe to him. Anything you gotta say?
CTF, baby.
Yeah.
We killed it.
We
We
killed
seen
it.
that fish, caught that fish today.
Yeah, for sure. So we're gonna call it a day today, and hopefully we're gonna go fishing again tomorrow in Mojave. The weather was amazing, as you can see. No wind, clear day. So